Alright, so what's this crazy hairy ass biker messing with today? That would be these are from Wonder Workshop, and they're cute little robots. I managed to score a set for a friend of mine's kids. These things are normally well over 1,400 bucks a set, and I got maybe 500 in the pair, so I did good. And I'm getting them ready for a buddy's kid, but I figured, you know, hey, this is cute. I don't even have this thing programmed. I don't even have my phone's out in the shed somewhere. I don't even have anything on it, but little follower bot, you know, thing that comes with it. This is kind of fun. I'm just gonna kick it on, show it off, for no absolute reason other than this is kind of entertaining. And I'm not sure if his follow functions are on. I do know that he is aware he's on a table edge, because I can make him follow me on the ground, and I can make him follow my hand up here, but he won't move while he's up here. He knows he's ready to fall off somehow. And he did move around a little bit when I first turned him on, so somebody probably had something in there that, I don't know. I haven't checked this one yet. I checked the other one really good. It's functioning correctly, which is why my phone's way the hell out in the shed. But I figured I'd show you, if you're going to get your kids a little robot, these are actually well made. And apparently they like being picked up and petted. What's that button there do? Oh, now he's on guard. And they have a camera in them. They have this light changes colors, and apparently he's funnier now. I had the other one chasing the squirrels around the house for quite a while, but then it got up on the carpet and I ended up having to clean the lint out of it. So they are kind of fun little toys. And he does definitely follow you. Can't remember if these were Discovery or what they were. Hold on a second, I know which email to look in. Wonder Workshop Dash starter pack is what they were. And like I said, they're well over $1,000 bucks, 1,400 anywhere you go, for the whole kit with two of them. And I came out way less than that and had a good time putting them together. And I think dude's kids will get a kick out of this. I think his old lady will probably get a kick out of them too, because I don't know what that one does. Does that one do anything? No, those just slide up. So that one does something. I don't know if that one does anything yet. Okay, so now he's on perimeter patrol or something, I'm not sure.
Look at that!
What's this one do? Alright, so let's try this one. And this one again. Oh, wait. And they actually have a pretty decent processor inside them. They're very easy to work on. A very advanced kit. And they've got a lesson plan that's supposedly good for 6-year-olds. Which means that most adults might actually be able to get it. We're not sure about that because today's young adults don't seem too smart, but you know, hey, thank God for 5-year-olds, right? Anyway, and that's not doing anything from being tethered to my computer other than charging. And this is just some shitbox laptop. I don't know, I got this one. I don't even know why I have this one. I got a brand fucking new one. But this one's fun to mess with, and the squirrels can chew it up, and I can afford the squirrels chewing this laptop up. Unlike my other one, which, you know, hey, $7 grand's a lot of money. But, I just figured I'd show you off these little robots. Their Dash is the name of the robot, and it's made by Wonder Workshop, and they've got a couple of different kits out there. And they've got a cell phone app, and let's see, power buttons back there.
Look at that. I see.
Apparently these things do something, I don't know what. I'm assuming those are probably ultrasonic sensors behind those. I know that there's a camera behind one of these. Those two look like passive IR. I'm not sure without. But anyway, they're cool, they're fun. And after getting them and finding the damn lesson plan, that was the hardest part, was finding a replica lesson plan, which I don't really need, but the guy whose kids I'm giving them to might. Actually, he might, because I don't think the kids are old enough to read. Especially not if they're going to school in America today. But, just cool, neat little toy. I'm half stone, figured, well, hell, I'll show you the damn thing. Reset is right there. What else did I notice on these damn things? I gotta clean off stickers. But anyway, we'll holler at y'all later. It's just cool stuff to look at, and if you're looking for a quality robot kit for your kid, like I say, I had the other one, which I have gone through already. I had him chasing squirrels around the house. They were having a good time. And I even had him on auto follow mode, and I tried the turtle with him, and he passed the turtle. The old logo turtle experiment. Probably, you know, something that all of them do these days, but it's always been one of my benchmarks for, is this sucker smart or stupid? Even though it's a really simple program. But anyway, we'll holler at y'all later.